Hello, my name is Janelle Jones, and I'm presenting on the application of Newsela. This application is an online reading platform where students can read current articles in a wide variety of topics. To get to the app, you first want to type into the search bar up here, www.newsela.com. Once at the site, you can create a free account using one of your email addresses. After we have logged in, I would like to show you two amazing features that I think can make this app amazing. For this demonstration, I'm going to search a topic that sounds interesting or that would relate to my curriculum. I'm going to use the search word energy to look up an article. Once I get to a specific article, the first feature I want to highlight is the students have access to all of the articles at 5 different reading levels. And these reading levels are divided into lexile levels. So as you can see, there's many different articles to choose from for this said topic. I'm going to choose generating energy from the wind. Up here you can notice this is where the lexile levels are. So for the max, this is the original article, and it will be written there. Then you can change it to a lower level, and it will be easier for the students to read. It is not going to change the meaning of the article, though. All students will get the same out of the article. For teachers, this means that they can assign an article for their students to read, and it can tailor it to student-specific reading levels. For example, as a teacher in a middle school classroom, there's going to be a wide variety of readers in the class. And so instead of assigning many different articles, I can assign there's one article, and it can pertain to all of my readers, and they can all read it. In the paid version of the app, teachers can save and keep track of their students' reading levels and change it depending on how well the students are succeeding. There are a couple features I want to note on this article right here. The first feature is the Spanish and English feature. So as you can see, the article will change to Spanish depending for the student. There is also a read aloud feature that I want to show you. So you click the read aloud right here, and it will highlight the words and read aloud for the student. So I'm going to show you an example.
Generating Energy from the Wind by National Geographic Society, adapted by Newsela.
So as you can see, it highlighted all of the words as it was reading it. The next amazing feature I want to show you is that you can create assignments. So you can assign it right here. You can assign it, and then it will take you to this page, and then you can select your class. I do not have any classes, and then you can create an instruction for the students. And then you can assign, and this will assign to, it will connect to any learning platform you have, whether that be Canvas or Google Classroom, so the students have an easy time finding it. Within these assignments, you can notice the activities you can choose from. So there's a writing activity, and the Newsela will come up with a prompt for you. And there is a quiz activity, and they will give you a couple of correct answers so that you can see if the students actually read the article. Students can also highlight and annotate the article. This helps students so they can know what they're reading. So as you can see, you just click and drag, and then you can change the color. Students can write something. So amazing. And then they have notes, and then you can share it as a teacher, or the students can share it with you. Lastly, I want to show you that you can save the article to your library, and then you will have a whole library of articles instead of having to search for the article over and over. So you can click this button here, save, and then you go up to your content and saved by you, and it will show you the articles that you have saved. You can also create content types, so you can create audio, articles, all that, and then you can create sets as well, so that for each of your content and curriculum standards, you can have different sets. So I hope this helps. I hope I gave you a little intro. That's just a little intro for you, and there's many other features that are in this app. So hopefully this helps, and hopefully you get to use this in the future.